Hello everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 5 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 5 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find the list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter number sequences. The lessons we're going to cover today are: use a rule to complete a number sequence. Number sequences word problems. Number sequences mixed review. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. I'm on grade 5 math. Chapter we're on right now is number sequences. Use a rule to complete the number sequence. So basically, we are given a rule that we have to apply and find the next number in the sequence. What is the next number in the pattern? Multiply by 5, then add 1. So you have to multiply the last number. Here you have 1406. You need to multiply this number by 5 and add 1. So when you multiply by 5 and add 1, that is 7031. So that means the next number in the sequence is 7031. Let's just start with the test questions. What is the next number in the pattern? You have to multiply 233 by 4 and then add 5. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 937. Got it? What is the next symbol in the pattern? Multiply by 4, then add 5. So just multiply 2729 by 4. 4 times 9 is 36. 4 times 3 11. 4 times 7 is 28, 129. Now you need to add 5. 6 plus 5 is 11, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 901, that is 10,921. Option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? What is the next number in this pattern? Multiply by 2, then add 5. So you have to multiply 51 by 2, and then you have to add 5. So the next number in the pattern is 107. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 107. What is the next number in the pattern? Multiply by 3 and add 5. So which is the next one? Option number 1 is the correct option. What is the next number in the pattern? Which is the next one? Very good. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is the next number in the pattern? So can you solve and write the correct option in the chat box? Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 1249. What is the next number in the sequence? Multiply by 5 and then add 2. Option number 2 is the correct option. Very good. What is the next number in this pattern? Option Option 2 is the correct option. We have to subtract 2 now. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Number sequences word problems. Baker is putting cupcakes on trays to cool. She put 64 cupcakes on first tray, 72 cupcakes on second tray, 80 cupcakes on third tray, and 88 cupcakes on fourth tray. If the pattern continues, how many cupcakes will the baker put on the fifth tray? 64, 72, 80, 88. We need to find our next number in the sequence. The first thing we need to see is how the pattern is going. We need to find a rule. 64 plus 8 is 72. 72 plus 8 is 80. 80 plus 8 is 88. Now we need to add 8 for the next number. So 88 plus 8 is 96. So that means the baker will put 96 cupcakes on the fifth tray. Let's just start with the test questions. Restaurant used 3 onions on Monday, 9 onions on Tuesday, 27 onions on Wednesday, 88 on Thursday, and 243 on Friday. If the pattern continues, how many onions will the restaurant use on Saturday? So you need to see how the pattern is going. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 times 3 is 81. And 81 times 3 is 243. For the next one, we need to multiply 243 by 2, that is 729. So that means on Saturday, that would be 729 onions. Got it? Option number 1 is the correct option. 729 is the correct option. While at work, Kendall is putting papers into folders. She put 5 papers in the first folder, 6 papers in the second folder, 8 papers in third, 11 in fourth. 5, 6, 8, 11. 5 plus 1 is 6. So each time the number are increasing by 1. So for the next one, you need to add 4. So 11 plus 4 is 15. The next number in the sequence is 15. Option number 1 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. On a modern art painting, there are 63 green dots on the first row, 73 on the second, 77 on third, 84 on fourth row. You need to add 7 for the next one. So the next number in the sequence is 91. Option number 1 is the correct option. Anthony is dividing cherries among some bowls. He put 83 cherries in the first bowl, 93 cherries in the second, 103 cherries in the third, and 113 cherries in the fourth bowl. If this pattern continues, how many cherries will Anthony put in the fifth bowl? So, which is the correct option? So, the next one is 123. Mm, very good. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 123. Okay, the next one is the Wholesome Bakery baked 3 loaves of breads on Friday, 6 loaves of bread on Saturday, 12 loaves of bread on Sunday, 24 loaves of bread on Monday, and 48 loaves of bread on Tuesday. If this pattern continues, how many loaves of bread will they bake on Wednesday? So, which is the correct option? which is the correct option. 96 it is option number. One is the correct option. Very good. The teacher's helper was putting cookies onto plates. He put 21 cookies on the first plate, 28 cookies on the second plate, 35 cookies on the third plate, and 42 cookies on the fifth plate. If the pattern continues, how many cookies will the helper put on the fifth plate? So it is the correct option. The next one is 49. That means in the fifth plate, there would be 49 cookies. Option number 2 is the correct option. Jake sent 3 pieces of mail in May, 5 pieces of mail in June, 9 pieces of mail in July, and 15 pieces of mail in August. If the pattern continues, how many pieces of mail will Jake send in September? Jake sent 3 pieces of mail. Okay, the next one is then 3, 9, 15. The next one would be 23, I think. Yes, 23 it is. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is number sequences mixed review. Let's just start with the lesson. Type the next number in the sequence 0, 0, 1, 3, 6, and 10. Now you have to find the next number. You need to see how the numbers are going. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10 and 10 plus 5 is 15. Ten plus 5 is 15. So the next number in the sequence is 15. Let's just start with the test questions. Type the missing number in the sequence. Type the missing number in the sequence. That is true. Option number 1 is the correct option. Type the next number in the sequence. Type the next number in the sequence. 0 plus 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 0 plus 2, 2 plus 4, 6 plus 8, no, 6 plus 6, 8, 10, and 30 plus 12. That is 42. Option number 2 is the correct option. The correct option is 42. Option number 2 is the correct option. Type the missing number in the sequence. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 7 is 21. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 we need to add. 21 plus 9 is 30. The next number is 30. That is 30. Option number 2 is the correct option. Type the next number in the sequence. The next number in the sequence is 18. Very good. Option number 2 is the correct option. Type the next number in the sequence. What is the next number in the sequence? The next number in the sequence is 15. Option number 2 is the correct option. Type this, type the missing number in the sequence. $256. It is option number 2 is the correct option. Type the missing number in the sequence. 35 it is. Okay, let's see. The next number is 35. Type the missing number in the sequence. So, which is the next number? 50 it is. The next number in the sequence is 50. Which numbers are missing from this sequence? 72 and 77. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to. Okay, so we are working on grade 5 math. The chapter we are working on is number sequences. The lessons we have covered today are use our rule to complete a number sequence. Number sequence is word problems and number sequences means review. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lessons, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. Or either you can write down the question in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusion if you have any. Any questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.